AI tools are getting smarter every year, and some of them are so powerful that they can replace complex software completely. But the truth is, they don't replace everything, and knowing the difference can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you when a free AI background remover is more than enough, and when professional editing tools still make sense. Let's start with a simple case. If you need speed, AI tools like Remove.bg are perfect. You upload your image, and in just a few seconds the background is gone. No setup, no learning curve, and no manual editing. This works great for product photos, YouTube thumbnails, profile pictures, online shop listings, and social media content. For most everyday needs, the results are clean and usable right away. But this is where AI starts to struggle. If your image has messy hair, transparent objects like glass, or subjects that overlap with the background, AI can make mistakes. You might see missing details, strange edges, or parts of the image getting cut off. In these cases, professional tools like Photoshop or GIMP give you full control. You can manually refine edges, fix small details, and create more realistic results. So the real question is not, which tool is better? The real question is, what do you actually need for this project? If your goal is fast content for the internet, AI tools are usually more than enough. But if you're working on high-quality designs, ads, or print materials, manual editing is still worth the effort. The smartest workflow is combining both. Start with AI to save time. If the result looks good, you're done. If not, then move to professional tools for fine-tuning. This way, you stay efficient without sacrificing quality. Knowing when to use simple tools and when to use advanced ones is the real skill in modern content creation. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.